Hi, I'm April with WTI.
And I want to share with you these River Rock Stepping Stones by Ausluru, USA. I love that these have high quality PVC mesh backing that ensures that these stones are going to stay in place without falling off and without disintegrating. This gives me comfort that they will last, and that makes me so happy because I think they are so cute. I really like the color contrast against my mulch and how much character it gives my walkway.
They have several different color and sizing options. I chose to go with this white rhombus shape, and I really enjoy how versatile they are and that I can move them anytime I want. I think they just look absolutely beautiful in the rain. And the best thing is that they're not slippery at all. They stay in place very, very nice. So for anyone looking to upgrade their walkway or garden space, I would definitely recommend these stepping stones. And that's my point of view.